Hello, welcome to my 5th C# game making tutorial. Now you should have watched the previous tutorials up to now if you haven't. If you haven't checked them out, you'll also need to have downloaded the engine that I've created. I know I keep saying this, but someone's going to watch a video and ask me why is it not working. Yeah, there's a link below in the description where you can download the engine. So you'll need that to start creating this game. Okay, so up to now we've loaded the sprites and positioned them. We have learned how to move sprites such as the paddle and get input from the keyboard using the up and down arrow keys. We've also learned how to program ball physics. We've also learned how to detect if it collides with the window border, and also how to detect collision between two sprites. Okay, so if you haven't seen it already, this is what our game looks like so far. Okay, well, this paddle doesn't move yet, but this is what we're going to program in this tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to work on artificial intelligence and stuff like that there. So anyway, sorry, 2 seconds. Sorry. Okay, so we're going to start by well, again, you could do this in a different method, but I'm just going to keep it all unified because it's easier to understand. Okay, so paddle to AI. Okay, now this, well, what it's going to do is it's going to detect whether the ball's position, and if the ball is lower than the paddle, then move the paddle accordingly. Okay, so if sprite y1, and that would be the ball, is less than sprite y sprite y3 plus 65, say, or 65. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because we want to get the center of the paddle rather than the go away. No, sorry about that. So hang on, let me explain this. Okay, whenever we want to detect the center of the paddle rather than the top left hand corner, because that is the automatic position that's detected. So so if sprite y1 is less than that plus 65, then, however, hang on, sorry, we also need to do an and sprite y3 is greater than, greater than 0, then, or 1, say, then, oops, that's not right, then move sprite 3, sprite x 3, sprite y 3 minus 3. Okay, so what this is doing is, if the ball is essentially higher than the center of the paddle, then move the sprite up 3 pixels. Okay, so we've done that. Now let's do it for the beneath it. Okay, so if sprite is it's pretty simple actually. You just need to change these, so x is less than 425 because that was our boundary, then sprite equals plus 3. Right, let's try this then. Okay, you see it's starting to move now. Okay, oh actually hang on, 425 is not right, but anyway, it'd be hang on, sorry, 2 seconds. Paddled, sorry, it's that rather than 425. Sorry, that's it now. So right, let's try this then. Okay, now maybe we should we'll speed it up slightly, because obviously it can't, the paddles might be a little bit big or something like that there. By the way, in your game you can obviously make the ball and paddles more attractive looking. I just did them white on black because I can. I'll show you how to do this after. Hang on, sorry, 2 seconds. We're gonna I'm just trying to work out how we can get this moving better. Sprint like this, and okay, hang on. So if it's moving up, if it's less than plus, let's try 50, let's try 45, and let's try that. Okay, hopefully this will work, and this will make it a little bit more responsive. Okay, so not quite responsive enough. Okay, let's try 35. It really is a bit of trial and error. Game programming, like I said, there's a lot of small number variations that need worked out. So anyway, still not ready. Right, okay. Am I going the right way? Tell you what, I'm gonna pause this and work it out so as you don't waste your time. Okay, sorry for wasting your time. It turns out it works probably best if you don't add or subtract anything at all. However, you might want to add in and left equals false. This just kind of gives you a little bit more chance. Left equals false. Okay, it also kinda, you'll see here what I mean. It won't move the paddle then until the ball is actually going that direction. Okay, now this will be actually quite hard to beat the paddle probably, but as you can see now, at least your game works, and you can change it or tune it to whatever way you want. But at the minute, it's working well. So there we have our paddle physics, or paddle movement and stuff, ball physics, border collision detection, stuff like that there. And if you really want, actually, what you can do to make it slightly more challenging is, where are we? You can increase this speed to say 5. You might need to speed up the paddles and stuff to make it more playable, but there you go. You can see the ball's moving a lot quicker now. Sorry about the lag on my computer. There we go. Okay, for example. Now, in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the kind of how to detect whenever a player wins or loses. Okay, simple as that. And I might soup up the graphics a little for the next tutorial as well. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe and check out my new website, tutorilla.com, and become a member of it. Thanks for watching, and check out my next video.